Good morning, everyone. As the sun rises over the Ohio Valley, a sense of anticipation fills the air. Today marks a turning point in the season, and for many, it's the first real sign that winter's grip is loosening. Today is Thursday, February 19th, 2026, and a powerful storm system is moving across the country. This system is drawing attention from meteorologists nationwide as it sweeps eastward, bringing with it a dramatic change in the weather pattern. This is the first significant severe weather threat of the year for the Ohio Valley. After months of relative calm, the region is now bracing for a potentially dangerous outbreak. Millions are at risk as the atmosphere shakes off its winter slumber. People across cities and small towns alike are watching the skies, aware that today could bring the unexpected. Warm, moist air from the Gulf is clashing with a strong cold front, prime conditions for severe storms. This collision of air masses is setting the stage for a volatile afternoon and evening. For many, this is the first time since last autumn to think about tornado safety. It's a good reminder to refresh your memory on what to do if a warning is issued. The timing is critical. Storms will fire up this afternoon and continue into the night, with the most dangerous activity likely after dark. As daylight fades, the risks increase, making it even more important to stay alert. Nighttime severe weather is especially hazardous. Tornadoes and flash flooding are harder to see, and people are often less alert. Many are asleep or winding down, unaware of the dangers outside their windows. Make sure you have a way to receive warnings that can wake you up. A weather radio, a charged phone with alerts enabled, or a trusted app can make all the difference when seconds count. This system could bring damaging winds, large hail, tornadoes, and heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding. Each of these threats can cause significant damage and put lives at risk. Urban and low-lying areas are especially vulnerable. Floodwaters can rise quickly, and city streets may become impassable in a matter of minutes. This is a multifaceted threat that demands your attention. It's not just one hazard, but a combination that can change rapidly as the storm evolves. We want you to be prepared, not scared. Taking a few simple steps now can help you face the storm with confidence and keep your loved ones safe. Knowledge is power. Let's break down what this means for you and your family. Talk through your emergency plan and make sure everyone knows where to go and what to do. Review your severe weather plan now. Check your safe room, gather supplies, and make sure your emergency kit is stocked and easy to find. Charge your devices and check your weather alerts. A fully charged phone and a working flashlight can be your lifeline if the power goes out. Stay tuned for updates as we track this system all day and night. Our team will be here, monitoring every development and bringing you the latest information as it happens. Your safety is our top priority. First responders and emergency crews are already preparing to help, but your actions now can make a big difference. Don't let the quiet months lull you into complacency. Severe weather season is here, and together, we can be ready for whatever comes our way. It's been months since the Ohio Valley has experienced a severe weather setup of this magnitude. The landscape has been peaceful, with only the gentle rhythms of the seasons marking the passage of time. But now, the region faces a weather pattern that demands our attention and respect. Through the fall and winter, the Ohio Valley was calm. Cold snaps, a few snowfalls, but nothing that truly tested our preparedness. No major thunderstorms, no tornado warnings, just the quiet hush of winter. That long stretch of quiet can lull us into a sense of security, making it easy to forget how quickly the weather can turn. Today's alert is a wake-up call, a reminder that severe weather can return with little warning. As spring approaches, the jet stream strengthens, and warm, moist air from the south begins to flow back into the region, setting the stage for more dynamic weather. This transition season is notorious for its volatility. It's a time when the atmosphere can shift rapidly, bringing everything from heavy rain to dangerous storms. Think of today as the opening act for severe weather season, a preview of what's possible in the weeks ahead. Use this event as a drill. Take a moment to review your safety plan, check your emergency kit, and make sure you have everything you need. Make sure everyone in your household knows what to do and where to go if a warning is issued. If you haven't practiced your tornado plan recently, now's the perfect time to run through it together. The calm is over, the atmosphere is energized, and the potential for severe weather is real. Take this first alert seriously. It's your opportunity to set the tone for a safe and prepared spring. Don't wait until the next storm is on your doorstep to get ready. Preparation is key to staying safe. Talk with your family, review your checklist, and make sure your supplies are up to date. Double-check that your weather radio works and has fresh batteries so you never miss an important update. Preparedness is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Take action today. By acting now, you're not just protecting yourself, you're looking out for your loved ones and your community for the season ahead. Let's face this first challenge together, informed, prepared, and ready for whatever the weather brings. What's coming? Thursday is shaping up to be a day of rapidly changing weather, and it's important to know what's on the horizon. This is a classic setup for a dynamic storm system, with all the ingredients coming together for a potentially volatile day. We're not dealing with just one threat. Expect a range of severe weather, from heavy rain to dangerous winds and even tornadoes. The atmosphere will be primed for multiple hazards, so it's crucial to stay weather aware. First, heavy rain. Storms will tap into deep Gulf moisture, producing torrential downpours. Rapid rainfall could bring 1 to 2 inches in a short time, risking flash flooding in low-lying areas and along creeks. Never drive through flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown. Even a few inches of moving water can sweep a car away. Next, lightning. These storms will be highly electric with frequent cloud-to-ground strikes. If you hear thunder, get indoors immediately. Lightning can strike miles from the storm itself. Postpone outdoor activities and remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Now the severe components, high winds, hail, and tornadoes are all possible. Each of these can cause significant damage in a matter of minutes. Strong upper-level winds can be brought to the surface, causing damaging gusts that can knock down trees, power lines, and even damage roofs or vehicles. Large hail is possible, especially in the most intense storms. Hailstones can damage cars, windows, and crops, so be prepared to protect property if warnings are issued. Some storms may rotate, supercells that can produce tornadoes. Tornadoes can form quickly, so have a plan to take shelter if a warning is issued. Treat all warnings seriously and act quickly. Even if your area isn't in the bullseye, you could still see dangerous weather. Stay alert, keep your phone charged, and be ready to move to safety at a moment's notice. We'll break down each threat in detail. Your awareness is your best defense. Let's get specific about what to watch for. Damaging winds are often the most widespread severe threat. This system could bring gusts of 60-70 mph or higher. Such winds can snap branches, down power lines, and damage homes. Secure outdoor items now: trampolines, furniture, trash cans. During storms, stay away from windows and move to an interior room. Treat severe thunderstorm warnings as seriously as tornado warnings. Hail is also a concern, potentially quarter to golf ball sized or larger. Large hail can shatter windows, dent cars, and injure anyone outside. Move indoors immediately if hail is approaching. Don't risk your safety to protect property. Park vehicles in a garage if possible. Your safety comes first. Prepare now. There is a real risk of tornadoes with this system. Conditions are favorable for rotating supercell thunderstorms. The highest tornado risk is this afternoon and evening. Tornado warnings mean immediate action. Don't wait to see it. Just go to your safe place. Your safe place, lowest level, interior room, away from windows. Cover your head and neck with blankets or a mattress. Mobile homes are not safe. Have a plan to get to a sturdy shelter. Have multiple ways to receive warnings. NOAA weather radio, smartphone alerts, local news. Don't rely on just one source. Minutes matter. Move quickly when a warning is issued. We'll be tracking storms minute by minute to keep you informed. Stay vigilant and ready to act. Your preparation now is your best protection. Don't underestimate this threat. Safety first, always. The main threat zone stretches from the Mississippi River across the Ohio Valley. Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Missouri, Southern Ohio, and Western West Virginia are all at risk. Major cities in the bullseye: Indianapolis, Louisville, Cincinnati, Evansville, Lexington. Millions are in the path of potentially dangerous storms. Even cities farther north and east, Detroit, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, could see gusty winds and heavy rain. The storm's influence is broad and dynamic. As storms move east, the tornado risk drops, but wind and flooding threats remain. Mountainous areas could see flooding as storms cross the Appalachians. Power outages and downed trees are possible. Everyone from the Mississippi to the Appalachians should have a plan. Stay alert and ready to act. Monitor local forecasts for updates. Preparedness is key for all in the risk area. Earlier this year, a January storm hit the Deep South, but missed the Ohio Valley. That event brought severe weather to Louisiana and Mississippi, while the Midwest stayed quiet. Today's storm is different. It's the first major threat for the Ohio Valley in 2026. The storm track has shifted north, signaling a seasonal change. This is not a continuation, but the start of a new severe weather pattern for the Midwest. Many haven't had to use their safety plans yet this year. Today's threat is real and immediate for this region. Treat it as the beginning of the spring severe weather season. Let's set a tone of preparedness and safety from the start. Knowledge is your best defense. Identify your safe place now: basement or interior room, lowest floor, no windows. Practice getting there with your family. Assemble an emergency kit: weather radio, flashlight, first aid kit, medications, food, water. Know the difference. A watch means be ready. A warning means act now. Move to your safe place immediately when a warning is issued. Charge your phone and have a portable power bank ready. Plan how you'll communicate if the power goes out. Designate an out-of-state contact for your family. Don't wait. Prepare before storms arrive. A little planning now can save lives. Stay informed and ready to act. Your preparation makes all the difference. The threat won't end tonight. Storms move east on Friday, bringing rain and wind to the southeast and mid-Atlantic. The risk will be lower, but gusty winds and heavy rain could still cause issues. After the storms, communities in the Ohio Valley will assess damage and begin recovery. Check on neighbors, especially the elderly or those needing help. Stay away from downed power lines and report them immediately. Recovery takes time, but resilience and teamwork matter. This event marks the start of spring storm season for the Midwest. Use today as a learning experience. Review what worked and what to improve. Stay informed, have a plan, and look out for one another. We'll be here with you every step of the way. Stay safe, everyone.